Now making the doubling with washers on the interplane strut lugs. So I'm just using some whatever bolts to center an appropriate washer, and then this will be welded by the welder. Right, all stress are removed. These step drill I think are really good to ream the inside of the holes, in this case to make sure that the two are to exactly the same hole. And same with those, if you use the laser cut or the water jet cut holes, they're all too small, so they need to be put the good size. So this is really stable to make a nice hole.